Well, hello, my friends. So, you clicked or stumbled across this video so you can use this thingy right here. Like, yeah, the camera mod. Just like I'm using in this video right now. So, let me get to my phone. Alright, so I'm in my phone here. Right, so you're gonna go to App Store or, whatever, or something else you have. You're gonna search up Google Drive. I already have it, so I don't need it. I don't know. First, when you get here, you gotta create an account. I have a ton of accounts. Yeah, still, just create an account, and I'll show you why. So you should have empty stuff right there, right? Let's go back on my VR once you have it all done. Alright guys, so y'all gonna search up Google Drive on your browser here, right? Then after you record on this thing and you link to your account to Google Drive, it's supposed to be easy. So you're gonna click on this thing. Then go to the folder. It's just everything in Russian because I can't read it Russian, but still. Click on not that thing. This one. And then once you get to files, you're gonna click the first one, right? You see this? You're gonna click it and then click select. And it should be loading. Like you see Gorilla Tag. Yeah, it should be loading and. Let's get back to my phone again. God damn, so much time, bro. Okay, guys. So after you do all of this, you go back to Google Drive. I lost it. Oh, here it is, Drive. And you should see. Oh, you uploaded yeah. If you see if you see you opened, that means you already opened it. So click on this then click on the three dots, open in. It does not take a while. Well, if it's a long ass video. Then then if it has CapCut, yeah. Most likely this is like a no. Actually, yeah. Go to CapCut, import footage to CapCut, loading, and yeah, you should be good. Yeah. Yeah. Let me just say something real quick about VR. Oh, God. Okay. So, you just learned how to make videos. And give me any feedback if you need more information in the comments anywhere. Snapchat, the username is right here. Look, any question. If you're confused on the question, if you're confused on this tutorial, I'll say things. Like, I'll help you out. That's all. Yeah.